Today, we're going to unlock the true power hidden inside Microsoft Excel.
So, you think Excel is just for making lists? Well, think again.
See, most people only scratch the surface. Its real power is in strategic analytics.
And this is where your journey from a simple user to a real analyst begins. Our guide for this whole process is the book Mastering Data Analytics with Excel. And it's written by a real expert, Dr. Isaac Gottlieb. Let me show you why. For starters, he has over 25 years of teaching experience at top universities.
And he's taught over 100,000 students in his workshops and classes.
Get this, he's also a Microsoft MVP award winner for his expertise.
Okay, so the book starts you off by building a really solid foundation. It walks you through cleaning data, mastering formulas, and then visualizing with dashboards.
Then, once you've got the basics, you unlock the real power tools for analysis.
You'll learn what-if analysis, solver, the Analysis ToolPak, all the good stuff.
It even gets into predictive analytics, teaching you how to forecast future trends.
This whole process is what turns you from just a data user into a data pro.
For example, you can take last quarter's sales and actually forecast what's next.
Ultimately, it's about making smarter decisions that really give you an edge.
So the real question is, are you ready to finally harness your data's power?